Hey everyone, today I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to start designing your own collection or merchandise. Let's begin by purchasing the Bootleg Art Lab Mockups bundle, which includes 112 vector mockups, 40 real mockups, a plate of vintage bootleg style graphic designs, and lastly, the file to create your tech pack. After completing your order, you'll instantly be able to download a thank you PDF containing this button. Clicking the button opens the treasure chest, a drive link with all the tools in the Bootleg Art Lab bundle. You'll see 3 folders with different files: vintage bootleg designs, real mockups, and vector mockups. You'll also find the tech pack files here. To start creating your collection, click on the Mockups vector folder. Here we can see we can also download the entire folder as a zip file. A tip for Mac users: to open the zip file, simply download the Unarchiver app. Click on Vector Mockups and we'll find all the individual files. Let's download streetwear mockup.i and open it in Adobe Illustrator. Here are all 112 fully editable vector mockups. How do we use them? It's simple. Let's say I want to create a jacket with a collar but add 2 chest pockets. I'll find a pocket that fits the style, select and copy it using Command+C or Ctrl+C on Windows. Note that this file is highly customizable. That's why each line and seam can be selected individually. Once you've chosen a pocket, group it to avoid clicking each line separately. To group, use Command+G or Ctrl+G on Windows. Then paste the pocket on the jacket with Command+V or Ctrl+V and adjust its position and size. I wanted to, so I copy and paste it on the other side of the chest. Alright guys, this is just a quick intro to show you how to use our mockups. If you're interested, I'd suggest subscribing to the channel. We'll be releasing more content and tutorials on using Art Lab bootleg mockup packages. See you later, guys.